What's up, guys? So I'm here again. This is another camera build, and I'm at the camera tech source, R3 Hagley Park. Right. Okay. So we have Jerry right here.
Yeah.
Is it me? So I'm going to see what this young man can do with this camera rig. This is the Sony FX3. He's going to build a rig. Have you ever built a rig before?
First time building a rig.
When you look at these type of stuff, what comes to mind?
Boy, I look like a puzzle in a butt, you know.
Okay.
I can't handle it.
Okay. All right. Let's see. What would be the first thing that you do? Let me see how you'd build up this rig. It's just, I don't think it can go wrong. You know.
All right. Well, we sell these products, so I'm au fait with a lot of these items. So I'd say the first thing we'd do is put on the camera onto the base rig. That's what that looks like to me.
This is the cage for the camera.
Yeah, that's the cage.
Yeah. Okay.
So the first thing we do is add the camera to the cage, and then,
Okay, add the camera to the cage. Let me see.
Light work.
Right.
All right.
Find the piece of the piece to the puzzle. Is that the right way?
Maybe not. Oh. There we go. That looks like it.
Is that the right way?
Yep. It's the right way. But no. There we go.
Is it nice and is it? Oh.
There we go.
Okay. So what else you need
to
to do?
need to secure. We need to secure this on this cage.
So you know, you know that.
Boy, it's a lucky guess, you know. But it look like me right. All right. So the small rig tool here, handy tool, and you can get this tool at Camera Tech Source, guys.
Remember that.
Yeah. So you go. Sometimes we have to get a little bit of help from the pro, you know.
All right. So try that now and see.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Nice. Very good now. Good. Bro.
And yeah, that's good.
Nice and snug.
So what next would you apply to this camera?
All right. Let's see here. Cable mounts.
That's for the HMI cable clamp.
Cable clamp. Alright, let's see how this goes. Boom. Nope. Nope.
All right. Firstly, what you can do is like, where's the HMI port on the camera?
I think this is the port here.
All right, and then then you can see how does the camera clamp, how does the clamp goes alongside the HMI port.
Oh.
Okay.
It's a question. You normally have the port open first.
Yeah, open first, so the door can actually fit in. So basically,
nice.
The door is in it. The door is fit in it.
Got you. And let me just turn that to the camera. To the yeah man, secure it.
Yeah, so once over a period of time, once you start, doing these type of stuff, it's come like it's just fit up a rig in less than 10.
And guys, what Pedro is doing here is setting the pace. He's introducing us to a lot of professional cinematography equipment. So we can now stock these items. We want to make them available for our Jamaican creatives. Alright? Yeah. So you never know, FX3s may just be available real soon. And FX3 rigs. Alright?
What's the next thing?
What's next?
Remember, I still have 28 minutes on the memory card, so.
Alright. I think what I'd want to do now is top mount.
Top handle.
Top handle, yeah. Top handle. Boom. Alright. So this is from Sony, yeah? Alright. So let's just get that in there and then secure it.
Yeah, just make sure say when you it not up fully, and then that's when it will flush inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
So I realize that the top angles have the extension tube on it, so you pass and you get with one of the additional.
That's one of them things there, you know.
Thing.
You know, a teacher left one of the answer them on your sheet.
Yeah.
Or one of them case there.
So you just win with that one there. All right. So
snug.
What next would you do?
Alright, so the next thing that we'd want to mount is our monitor. That's the only thing that's left away from our lens. So,
but not say incorrect, you know. You can mount, you can rig up the camera anyway, but you need to think about balance. Because if you mount the monitor up here, the camera that you're going to rig up right now is not going to be balanced. So what I would do, I would actually put the lens on it, but
can work. But just to be safe.
But there's something else missing. That it never tighten, and that's a screw underneath.
Oh, this is loose.
Yeah.
Oh. So we just slipped that on there and we didn't tighten it.
Yeah.
It's one of them things.
I've make sure say camera is very safe and secured.
Yup.
So make sure say tighten every one of the screws, every one of the nuts, everything. Right.
Alright, nice and snug. Alright, so as you suggested, let's balance out our rig and add our lens.
And each time you're going to swap out a camera lens or so, always make sure that the camera is face down so no form of dust particles can get inside.
Got you.
So that to that. Alright, so
bro,
that's
I feel like a novice all over again.
that's cool, man.
But yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, this feel expensive. This feel expensive, bro.
Okay.
Alright, so now
what next?
we can add
okay, so this is the
plate.
This is that's a extension handle for the top handle. So yeah.
So let's see. So we have 3 screws in it.
Yeah. Doesn't fit there. Doesn't fit there. So you're actually going to screw into these 2 holes right there.
Oh, hold on. So then the same screw for all of them.
Nah.
Oh, it's just 2 mounts here?
Yeah, there's 2 mounts.
Okay.
So it doesn't shift. Yeah.
Screw number 1 is in. Time for screw number 2. Let's ensure that's balanced. Oop.
Nice and snugged. Nice and snugged. Okay.
Alright.
What's next? Okay, that's for the monitor mount.
Yeah, this is our monitor mount.
Well,
This bracket holds the monitor.
Yeah,
mount.
that's what I was about to say.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, move on.
That's fine.
You know, so we should time in.
I'd like to know, should I set up a
and then see what's
here
time.
I go now. This first edition. Yeah man. Next time we time it. As a matter of fact. Wait a second. Does this screw normally face me or does it?
Anyway you turn it, it face anybody.
Okay.
But it all depends on how you want to tighten it.
Do you want it further forward? Yeah, this works. This works because then you can use this to tilt it. So we're good.
but
You should turn it the other side.
the only reason why I would turn the other side because like I don't want anything to interfere with the mic. So just in case you're going to get a shotgun mic, I don't want anything to interfere with the mic. And then
That makes sense. You would flip it.
Yes, I like when the camera is flushed. So at this front part right here, I like when right here, so it's flushed. Cool. So if you should flip it and see what it looks like.
Let's see what that looks like.
Like I don't know, like when I'm building rigs, it has to make sense to me. It has to look
that is symmetric.
Yes, exactly.
It's a question now when you see what you say now.
Yeah, so it doesn't just come off. Cause like I was looking at a rig yesterday, and the person has the rails, but normally you put things on the rails like a lens mount
or a
V-mount
battery plate and battery,
which
is available at Camera Tech Source.
Right.
Hold on, you know what? The battery,
yeah, man, a perfect thing, man.
That you have.
Last for days, man.
Yeah, bro. Raytrick battery is available here.
Last for days.
Yeah, bro. Alright, so that's nice and snug.
Alright. So we have just
man.
2 more items leave.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, so just find out how to screw it on.
Alright, a sec. Normally, there you go.
So this is actually your first time bringing up a camera.
Yeah, bro, but this is Camera Tech Source, so you know. I've been selling small parts at, like the top handles. I've been selling top handles, been selling cages. I've just never assembled a full setup like this. So you know, it's not gonna come as too much of a challenge.
Okay.
You know?
What's next?
Alright, so I think I want to add the HDMI cable now. Question, does it normally matter which you connect first?
No, it doesn't matter.
Alright, in.
Yes. How are you sure that it's in? That you should put it in the in port.
We mean it a feed from the camera to the monitor. Bro.
Just checking.
We're novice to
just
setting
checking.
up a rig.
No, the thing is not because it says in. Not because it says in, that's what I'm saying. But
Every monitor is a receiver. Except, no. The monitor is normally a receiver.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Alright,
so we got our monitor on there.
final thing.
You normally leave this hanging loose
Well,
like this?
because this is a short cable, I just hook this on top of here.
Mad. So this little Velcro strap comes in real handy.
All the time, or I can put it here, so. But I like to just hook this right here, so just in case. But it's fine.
Mad.
And then the final piece of the puzzle.
Yep. Light work.
That's the right way? Sure that's the right way?
Yep. Positive.
Okay. From here, the
Yeah. Run and gun. Yeah, boy.
Alright, so how was that for you?
Not too difficult. It's actually real fun.
Yeah, I sweat.
Yeah, bro. Every time I figure something out, this is how I sweat.
Within a AC, we're in AC and you're sweating, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I wanna sweat.
But big vibes, brother. Big vibes, big vibes. Definitely you can look out for professional gear like this coming out of Camera Tech Source. Alright. Pedro, give thanks for coming through. Always a pleasure, my brother.
Alright, bro.
Bless up, bless up.
That's a wrap.
16 minutes.
16 minutes?
Oh, 15 and some seconds.
A whole 15 minutes.
A whole 15 minutes. Well, that's not bad. That's a wrap.